discovering Sauerbraten, a classic German pot roast. Hello everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the rich flavors of a beloved German dish, Sauerbraten, a traditional pot roast that's as flavorful as it is comforting. In this video, we'll explore the recipe, ingredients, making process, health benefits, fun facts, and delve into the fascinating history of Sauerbraten. Let's get started. Recipe and ingredients. Sauerbraten begins with a few essential ingredients that come together to create its distinctive taste. You'll need a beef roast, typically from the bottom round or rump, which is marinated for several days in a mixture of vinegar, water, onions, cloves, bay leaves, and peppercorns. This marinade gives Sauerbraten its tangy flavor and tenderizes the meat, ensuring every bite is packed with savory goodness. The length of the marination can vary, but traditionally it ranges from 3 to 5 days, allowing the flavors to deeply penetrate the meat. The marinade itself is a crucial component, often consisting of a combination of vinegar and water, with some regional variations including wine or beer. This acidic base not only enhances the flavor of the meat, but also serves to tenderize it, making the roast incredibly succulent after hours of slow cooking. Making process. The making of Sauerbraten is a labor of love that begins days before cooking. First, the beef roast is placed in the marinade, where it absorbs the flavors over 3 to 5 days in the refrigerator. Once marinated, the roast is browned in a Dutch oven to lock in the flavors, then simmered slowly with the marinade until tender. This slow cooking process allows the meat to become incredibly tender while infusing it with the complex flavors of the marinade. Near the end of cooking, gingerbread cookies or ginger snaps are added to the sauce, giving it a unique sweetness and thickness. The final step in making Sauerbraten is the preparation of the sauce. After removing the roast from the pot, the remaining liquid is strained and often thickened with a roux or additional crushed gingerbread cookies. This sauce, known as Sauerbraten sauce, is poured over the sliced meat before serving, adding an extra layer of flavor to the dish. Health benefits. While Sauerbraten is known for its hearty flavors, it also offers some surprising health benefits. Beef is a great source of protein, essential for muscle growth and repair, and provides important nutrients like iron and zinc. The marinade, rich in vinegar and spices, not only enhances flavor, but also contributes to digestion and may have antioxidant properties. As with any dish, moderation is key, but Sauerbraten can be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. Additionally, the slow cooking process used in preparing Sauerbraten helps break down tough muscle fibers in the meat, making it easier to digest and absorb nutrients. The addition of gingerbread cookies or ginger snaps to the sauce not only adds flavor but also provides a small amount of dietary fiber. Fun facts. Did you know that the name Sauerbraten comes from the German words sauer, meaning sour or pickled, and braten, meaning roast? This reflects its preparation method of marinating meat in a sour liquid. Another fun fact is that Sauerbraten is often served with traditional German sides, such as red cabbage and potato dumplings, creating a wholesome and satisfying meal that's perfect for gatherings and celebrations. History of Sauerbraten. The history of Sauerbraten dates back centuries and is deeply rooted in German culinary tradition. Originating in regions like Rhineland and Saarland, Sauerbraten was initially a way to preserve meat by marinating it in vinegar and spices before refrigeration was widely available. Over time, it evolved into a beloved dish enjoyed across Germany and beyond, each region adding its own unique twist to the recipe. Historically, Sauerbraten was not only a delicious meal, but also a practical solution for preserving meat. In a time before refrigeration, marinating meat in vinegar and spices helped extend its shelf life, allowing families to enjoy hearty meals throughout the year. This preservation technique gradually transformed into a beloved culinary tradition, with each region of Germany developing its own variation of Sauerbraten based on local ingredients and preferences. Today, Sauerbraten continues to hold a special place in German cuisine, celebrated for its rich flavors and cultural significance. It is often served during festive occasions, such as Christmas or Oktoberfest, where it is enjoyed alongside traditional German beers and music. The dish's enduring popularity is a testament to its delicious taste and the enduring appeal of traditional cooking methods. In conclusion, Sauerbraten is more than just a dish. It's a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Germany. From its humble origins as a preservation technique to its status as a beloved comfort food, Sauerbraten continues to delight food enthusiasts around the world. Whether you're savoring its tender meat and tangy sauce or enjoying it with traditional sides, this dish offers a taste of tradition and history with every bite. We hope you've enjoyed learning about Sauerbraten as much as we've enjoyed sharing it with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on your favorite German dish or any questions you may have. Thanks for watching, and until next time, guten Appetit. The culinary versatility of Sauerbraten, it's worth noting that variations of the dish exist beyond Germany's borders. In regions influenced by German cuisine, such as parts of the United States and Canada, Sauerbraten has been adapted to local tastes while retaining its essential flavors. This adaptation highlights the dish's adaptability and enduring appeal across different cultures. Furthermore, the pairing of Sauerbraten with specific side dishes varies by region and personal preference. While red cabbage and potato dumplings are classic accompaniments, other variations include mashed potatoes, Spätzle, German noodles, or a simple green salad. These side dishes complement the rich flavors of the roast and enhance the overall dining experience. Lastly, for those interested in trying their hand at preparing Sauerbraten at home, experimenting with different types of vinegar in the marinade can yield unique flavors. Some recipes incorporate apple cider vinegar for a slightly sweeter tang, while others may use white wine vinegar for a more subtle acidity. Adjusting the balance of spices such as cloves, bay leaves, and peppercorns allows for personalization of the marinade to suit individual taste preferences. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey through the world of Sauerbraten. We hope you've enjoyed discovering the flavors, history, and preparation of this iconic German dish. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and culinary explorations. Hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Your support means a lot to us. Leave a comment below on your favorite part of today's video or any dishes you'd like to see us explore next. Until next time, happy cooking and guten Appetit!